Hey, Mark McElvain coming to you live from my back office in BitConnect. And I wanted to share with you some exciting news when I logged on this morning. I had invested in BitConnect not that long ago. I invested $1,010 into BitConnect on October the 27th of this year. And today is the 6th of November, 2017. And I can show that to you right up here on my screen. Monday, November 6th, 10:53 a.m. So I was happy to see that in my lending wallet, I have $102.31. I started with zero 10 days ago, absolutely nothing. And now I've got $102. And that is because of the power behind BitConnect and the Bitcoin Volatility Software. And I just want to show you the proof of this earnings, and I'll show you a couple Excel spreadsheets that I put together. But here is the actual transaction. Right, so if you look at this detail here on the 27th of October, rather 2017, I had received. I'm sorry. Let me backtrack real quick to how this works, and let me. So ultimately, you have to buy Bitcoin right first, and then you exchange your Bitcoin into BitConnect coins. So I had $1,010 in Bitcoins that I exchanged into BitConnect. So this transaction, I actually messed up on this first initial transaction. I didn't max out in terms of the coins that I wanted to exchange. So long story short, I did the right thing on the very next, whatever, half a minute later, I exchanged all of my Bitcoin wallet into BitConnect wallet, so that it can then lend. That's the money that you see the cent. I sent the money to BitConnect so they can use those funds with everyone else's funds in the Bitcoin Volatility Software. So that's just to show you the transaction history, and then these items down here that I highlighted. What I have done is put them in an Excel spreadsheet so you can see the actual math, right? So the cash I invested originally, right, to buy the Bitcoin was $1,000, right, and that gave me 0.1732019 Satoshi in Bitcoin. BTC equals Bitcoin, and the value of that when I actually bought that $1,000, the value was $5,773. That's one Bitcoin was $5,773 and change. Okay, so we have to buy the Bitcoin first, then we convert the Bitcoin into BitConnect, right? So that 0.1732 is copied and pasted down to here, and I originally bought the exchange rate at that time was 0.0368991 Satoshi. So that basically gave me the 4.69 Bitcoins, all right? But as you saw in that transaction, I had to do it twice, right? So I want to show you both transactions here. And I can gladly share this spreadsheet with you if you have a desire to look at it and look at the calculations inside each one. But it's a simple calculation to get to how many coins did I actually receive, and the whole point is to confirm this column with the columns in here. So I don't want to take up too much time on that regard, but I did the math just to make sure. Okay, am I doing this correctly? And I'll get to these color codes in a second, and that's pretty important. So long story short, I earned $100 in a relatively short period of time. It's not record breaking. It's not what do you call it? Monumental in any regard, but for me it was important to test it, and so I've tested it, and I'll be investing more money and bringing hopefully more people to this business and sharing the power behind BitConnect that so many other people are enjoying. So this is all about BitConnect and investing in Bitcoin lending. This website here. What I wanted to show you was the volatility software, right, and what they have been able to pay back in a pretty short period of time. You can see right now the 30-day average is 0.86. What I wanted to show you on this slide was that I had invested the $1,010, which means I get an additional 0.1% daily accrued interest. Which helps. That adds up. Plus, by investing that, I get 239 days of my capital locked up, as opposed to 299 days. So if you can afford the 1,000, do the 1,010. If you can afford 5,000, do a 5,010. You'll get a 0.2% uptick, and your money is not locked up as long. You can see the differential there. 2 months. And then if you can afford the 10,000, invest 10,010. So anyway, here's the returns that they have been giving their members since I joined. Right. So this is the 27th right here. 10/27/17. They returned a 0.91% on the capital invested. 0.95%. Then they had a dip at 0.32. Then it shot up to 1.88. And remember, I'm getting an extra 1/10%. So my return would have been 1.98 on this day. This one, not so good, 0.03%. 1.5, 1.3, 1.35, 0.87, and 0.97. So 10 days of returns yielded me over $100, which is effectively 1% per day. And then what I wanted to share with you is the fact that in addition to receiving this $102, right, which is cool, it's very, very cool, what I was actually more excited about was the fact that now Bitcoin itself, the BitConnect coin, is at 272.41 as of the time of this recording. And if you go to the cryptocurrency, you can see now it's trading at, I'll just refresh it, 271.29. See what is that right now? It is at 271.96. Okay, but I used the previous number for this calculation. Okay, so I used 271.69. It went up a few, 20 cents or so. But I wanted to figure out, okay, how much have I made? So again, remember, I bought 4.73 Bitcoins with my $1,000. Okay, it has gone up $58.19 in those 10 days. Okay, which is a simple calculation of 271.69 minus 213.50 is what I bought it at. So if I take that 59.19 and I multiply it by the number of coins I purchased, my account value has actually gone up $275.28. Right, which is exciting. So not only is BitConnect giving us a very decent return on our money for them to use that money for the Bitcoin volatility software, but the value of the coin and the value of the marketplace has also gone up, right? And that's very, very important. And we believe, a lot of industry experts believe, that it will continue to go up, not at this rate. And this rate is a 27% rate in 10 days, which is crazy. And it's not going to continue at that clip. But if it does, right, and I just did a simple math, and I'll probably shoot these every 10 days once I get roughly $100 of BitConnect in my lending wallet. What could it be worth in a month and a half, right? And this is crazy. I don't expect it to actually, it should be, I missed one. It should be this one right here. I'm not expecting to be $900 by the end of December, but many, many, many are believing that it'll be at $600. So what if it's at $559, right? If it's at $559, and I saw that same amount of coins, right? So again, simple math here. I'm just multiplying the price of the coin times the number of coins that I have, right? $559.89 per coin times my 4.7 coins. That's worth $26.48, right? $2,648. And then the actual dollar increase, from my perspective, my $1,000, I will have earned an additional $1,638. Again, in a relatively short period of time. The long story short is that this market, the cryptocurrency market, is very, 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 very small right now. It's only at 156 billion market cap. Many experts believe that in a year from now, it'll be a 10x, meaning it will increase 10 times the current value, which brings it at a $1.5 trillion market cap. And again, that's pretty small in the grand scheme of things when you compare it to gold, when you can compare it to the stock market and the worldwide stock market. This is a very, very, very small space, but great things are happening in this space. So again, just wanted to give you a 10-day breakdown of where I'm at myself. I'm going to actually go back to the dashboard right here, and with that $102, I'm going to reinvest, right? And I can reinvest all of it, which basically means you have to do multiples of 10. Our leadership is telling us to wait until you get to 100 and then reinvest that 100, as opposed to reinvesting it every 10 or 20 or 30. Wait till you get 100 and then reinvest that 100. So I will do that right now. I will invest it. You'll say because it's lower than 1,010, right? I have to lock it up for 299 days, as opposed to what I was locking it up as 239 days. Other people are at the point where they are able to reinvest over $1,000 at a clip because they've invested more than I have. But right now I will confirm that I will reinvest this $100 for another 299 days, and now my interest will be compounded, right? So basically this is interest. The money that I received is interest. And Einstein had said the eighth wonder of the world is compounding interest. So I will hit confirm. I will lock that money up. I've successfully reinvested my $100, okay, for another 299 days. I will close that. I'll go back up to my lending wallet, and I'll have $2.31 here. In my BitConnect wallet, this equates to roughly 2 additional coins. I can't buy 2 additional coins. I have to buy them in increments of 10. So I might most likely will buy some additional Bitcoin to get that up to a point where I can actually invest those funds into another into another round of investing. So that's it for now. Just want to keep it short. Don't want to take up too much of your time. If you have any questions, hit me up on Facebook or YouTube. Shoot a response and a comment under the YouTube video here. You can also check out my website, right? And go to our BitConnect Wealth Club, right? And I'll put that link in the website as well. But BitConnect the Bitcoin Wealth Club is awesome. You'll learn a lot. There's some phenomenal guys in this industry. Tremendous step-by-step, how to get started with BitConnect, where to go. Testimonials from guys that have made quite a bit of money. Some of our guys that haven't started in this industry for very long have already withdrawing 2.5 Bitcoins per day, right? And if you do the math right now, what it's trading at, that's $17,000 that they have to withdraw. If they don't withdraw it, they lose it based upon the comp plan. So they're withdrawing $17,000 a day, and Bitcoin is continuing to skyrocket. It's crazy. But anyway, the Bitcoin Wealth Club is a phenomenal club. We've got webinars. We've got tremendous training that will ultimately get into this website, but you can attain partake of it live. Got a great active community in Facebook, and it's just a group of awesome people that are all trying to help each other out. So I look forward to helping you. If there's anything I can do, like I said, leave a comment. But more importantly, you can go to my website, which is cryptocoinsnetwork.com, cryptocoinsnetwork.com, and this will get you into BitConnect Wealth Club. And it's a short video here. I won't play it now. But all you got to do is fill in your name, first name, last name, your best email address, your desired username. That username will be, my username is actually crypto trading, and you enter your password and you can get access, within minutes. And whatever, I highly recommend it. That's all for now. I look forward to talking to you guys in hopefully 10 days or less when I shoot my next video with my next $100 to reinvest. Thanks and enjoy your day.